Hello and welcome to a little video on our HJF Discovery Search. Now this is this search box finder right here on the main page. What it does is it searches all of our physical content, books and DVDs, music scores, that kind of thing. And it's the only place where you can search for that kind of stuff. It's the library catalog. In addition to that, it is also a place that gathers search results from the vast majority of our 100 plus databases. Now, that's great. You get to search one place and find out which database something's in. And you don't have to go to each database trying to find it. On the other hand, if you're only doing basic keyword searching, just putting in a couple of terms to see what's out there, you're going to get a lot of results, and a lot of it isn't going to be pertinent to what you're actually looking for. So if you have a nursing topic and you put it in here, you're going to get business results. You're going to get philosophy results. You're going to get history results, among many others. Okay, and it's really hard to filter out those other results. So we recommend using HJF Discovery only if you're looking for a physical object, trying to do an interlibrary loan, or you want to find a specific article title and you want to know, does the library have access to it, and if so, what database? Then use the discovery search. Otherwise, make sure you go to resources, A to Z databases, and select the database that's appropriate for your topic. Now, when you are using HJF Discovery Search, you can just type it in here and hit enter, or hit the search button. It will submit the search. You will get results. You will have limiters on the left. As you will find out throughout the various videos, every database has limiters. Sometimes they're on the left, sometimes they're on the right, sometimes they're across the top, sometimes it's a mix. All right. But here, we just want to be able to limit either by book or video. We don't want these other things, or musical score if that's what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and limit by video. And now we can see our results here. We can click into the record and learn more about it, the summary, authors, release date, contents, subjects, genre, and so forth. And we can go down, and then we can see that it's in the DVD section on the first floor. And here's the Dewey Decimal number. All right, Dewey Decimals, if you're familiar with those at your public library, they're the same here. All right, it's numerical order. If you need help finding it, just ask somebody at the desk, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you scroll down further, regardless if it's a DVD or a book, because our main collection of books is not publicly accessible, you have to put a hold on them. You can come down here and see what's on the shelf next to them. Right. So here we can come down and click, and it incorporates all format types, ebooks, print books, and DVDs into this. So we can see that here, this DVD, Reconstruction America After the Civil War, is next to The Rise of the City and The Rise of Industrial America. Even though they are print books, they're going to be somewhat related to this. And that's how the Dewey Decimal System works, right? Each number represents a topic, and that topic gets narrower the further through the numbers you go. All right, so 970 is going to be broadly about this, but 973s are going to be a lot more about this. And of course, 973.8 is going to be very much more specific. And so now you can see, okay, well, these are all about the general same topic. You can go into them. You can click on one and open it up and see the record, and if it's what you're looking for. Books, you can see over here, access options on the right. You can click place hold, big red button, and then you'll just need to log in with your Morningside credentials, and then you can place hold. We keep holds for 3 days up at the circulation desk before they're put back, so other people can get them. If you don't want to place a hold, you can also just come up and tell somebody you want Destiny of the Republic, or give them the call number right away, and they'll go get it and check it out for you. Okay? Now, that's the main gist of searching discovery. We will talk more about it through other videos as we go, especially when we do things on interlibrary loan. But if you have any questions, please stop by and let us know. Thank you.